So one of the things you need to know right away when you're making your ceramics objects is how are you going to attach these things together? So you're going to need to make yourself some slip. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make slip using vinegar. And I'm going to show you how to mix together wet clay and how to mix together dry clay in order to make slip. The first thing you're going to do is take a bunch of pieces of wet clay, smash them in your fingers, just rip them up, tear them off a piece of clay, and dump them into the bucket. Then you're going to take what I like to call a throwing stick. It's this tool that's pointy at one end and rounded at the other, and you're just going to kind of squish in a little bit of vinegar. So you're going to pour some vinegar in and then just start chopping the pieces up with the vinegar, and over the next 15 minutes you'll end up smishing it into a yogurt consistency, and that will give you slip. And what slip is basically particles of clay that are slipping against one another now. If you used water, what would happen is you're actually engorging your clay particles and they will crack when they dry. Slip does something different. It lubricates the clay particles so that they slip against one another. That's why we want to use vinegar. An alternative method for making slip would be basically taking dry clay like this, smashing it up with a rolling pin or something that you can smash the clay with into generally your pinky finger size or smaller, and just put vinegar in there, just a little bit more than halfway over the clay, and then just let it set. This vinegar sat for about 5 minutes. And you can see at the end that it's very similar to the other slip. It's a little bit more sandy in texture, but what's going to happen is that's going to smooth out if you mix a little bit more vinegar into it.